And the worst part now, ayisafiki in bulk, bangayifikisa nje with a brick encane. And then that brick is so ngathi maybe 200%. That brick ile bazothi mabayipheka iyenze maybe ama 50 liters, maybe 100. Because ngalesa sikhathi bebaza ngama izinto ezikhulu. So now it's more extra strong. Because if they bring a brick encane to cook and make more than 20, so that means it's dangerous. Very dangerous. Ngiyayisaba bro, mangifuna ukukutshela manje. When I'm looking back le mangibuya esikolweni, inglimazile uthanga, inglimazile kabuhlungu kabi. I'm just willing and wishing ukuthi laba abakhulayo babone ukuthi lento le injani ngoba ayisi right la nhle.
Dumelang molweni sanibona, ngiyabingelela kuphi nokubula kufila khona ke iphimbo lami lombukiso omkhulu Hope Revolution TV. Igama lami ke ngusazwa kwesibeka Stars Income Tax. Sigijima bukhona lapha na ke Hope Revolution TV. Kodwa namhlanje sigijima sigagasa lapha na ke kwithemba podcast. Ithemba la bonke abantu abakhona ke phansi komthunzi welanga. Kodwa ke njengenjwayelo siboka nje ukuthi bakithi ukhona uyingcenye futhi uyilunga lomndeni wethu Hope Revolution TV nayo lapha na ke ithemba podcast. Kodwa ke namhlanje ke angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nayo insizwe lapha ke njengenjwayelo. Qhawe lakithi sawubona.
Sawubona bhuti wami, kunjani?
Siyaphila njani qhawe lakithi?
Ngiyaphila bhuti wami.
Ngabe namhlanje ke ngikhuluma nobani wakwabani?
Ukhuluma noThabiso Steven Rabaloyi obuye eThembisa.
Thabiso?
Yebo.
Ubuye eThembisa?
Yebo bhuti.
Yeah. Ukhulele khona eThembisa noma mhlambe ngikuze ushaya isiZulu, ushaya isipidi, ushaya isitswana, kwenzakalani ukhulele phi kanjani?
Yeah, ngizalele eThembisa, ngikhulele eThembisa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So onke ama language waphethe?
Ngiyazama nathi. Yeah, I'm trying.
All right. Sejabula mfethu ukufika kwakho. Kodwa ke besingathanda mfethu ukwazi ukuthi namhlanje luthini udaba lwakho.
Okay, ukuza kwami ngibekwa ukuthi 18 years back bengibhema ama drugs. So ukuza kwami la ngizama ukuthi ngibonise abafana abaza emva kwami ukuthi lento le bengidla ayisi sharp ngoba yangimoshela izinto eziningi. Ngokucala isikolo ngafail matric yami 2004. And then I was doing subject labathi science and maths and biology. So on that year 2004, unfortunately I failed matric yami ngaphasa iveneka kuphela. That's the interesting part there. So ngakanga konzi moshela abantu mama khala endlini. So it came to a point ukuthi man, this is not my route.
Yeah.
And then mangilungi along the way ngizama ngomuntu ozitshela ukuthi ngikhule ngisogola mina ngizama. Then it came to a point ukuthi I think it was 2006 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 15 October 2006 that's when I stopped ukuyeka. Hence ngisho ngithi namhlanje ngina 18 years 5 months 9 days ngiyekile. Yes. So lama drugs laba ngwabhema, we were using capsule, double star, rock, and then boss. Ekugcineni kwami ngagcina ngenyawupe. So lezinto ngiziyuza leziyana azikho sharp bra. Angifuni ukukutshela ngoba to a point ukuthi maso ubona abafana abancane badlala ibhola bane future or talent agcine sekaphelela lapha yana. So what I'm trying to say or ngizama ukusho ukuthi angifuni abantu bazohamba la ngihambe khona because that thing is not good. Mina ngibe nenhlanhla ngoba along the way ngashonela abangani ngale ngicela ama drugs. So that's when I started to think no, you see now this is not my life. Then I try and change even today. So namhlanje ngoba ngisho ukuthi ngina 18 years ngiyekile ama drugs awekho sharp. That's why mangikhuluma nani so ngifuna ukuthi abafana abancane bazama ukulena ukuthi lento le bengiyenza ayisi sharp because it's not easy for a person who's into ayibonile akwazi ukukhuthaza omunye umuntu. Yes. So mangifail matric yami bengidlala nebhola. So there are big names abangaziyo. Bengidlala nabo Rato Shabangu, Thembazwani, Nthokozi Siyende. So mangiloko ngibhema so bengasa concentrate kakhulu ebholweni nasesikolweni. So ngaquit ibhola, ngaquit isikolo. Fortunately enough ngoba uNkulunkulu wakungibeka wangibusisa matric yami and then ngayiphasa ngisemsebenzini 2019 while I'm at work ngizama impilo yami to retrieve izinto lezi ngazimisa. So engizwisa ubuhlungu ngoba manje ayikho grand bro.
Yeah,
ayikho grand. There was a time masibuya esigela bengikeleza kwesinye isikole bathi Thembisa High School. So besinokujumpa esikolweni sihambe siyobhema. So it happened to masifika kuleyo ndawo bekuyindawo eabandoned. So lebe sibhema idrug la khona you have to have maybe a tin or a bucket and then namanzi nyana amancane ngoba mawubhema uvalela the smoke
yeah.
Then it needs ukuthi mase you have to ukuthi uspuka like thwela amathu akho ngale.
Yeah.
Yes. So it happened whereby like it's same as ukubhema kwavela abanye futhi from another school.
Yeah.
So fortunate for us thina basiqeda ukubhema bona baboshwa there was this but ama SDU sort of ama crime prevention wise so.
Yeah.
So bathi mabathola babhema those boys azange babashaya babaphuzisa lezi zinto leziyana. Remember when you spoke ifuba
I understand. Yeah.
Yes. So they had to ukuthi baphuze lezi zinto. So after mabazo ukungitshela ngihlangana nabo after malanga batheni izincedile mfethu thina saphuza lezi zinto. So nakhona nokumoshela abantu elokishini. Okay, it happened ukuthi ngeke ngabamba inkunzi twice. Yeah, but umuntu kumbulala nix inani kumlimaza nix. But ngeke ngabona ukuthi this is not my route ngoba namanzi bengasagezi ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah.
So enye into yangibonisa enye ukuthi drug alcohol sharp umuntu othanda ukudla kakhulu yangitshela.
Yeah.
So ngithe mangifika endlini bagawula abaloku badla so mina ngashaya ngabandlula endleleni. So le drug bengiyibhemile bayibiza i-capsule.
Yeah.
And then it was mixed with double star. So ngithe mangiceda ukudla ngibashiya endleleni ngabeka iplate lapha ngahlala phansi ngathi aningiphakeli na but then doctor ukudla I don't remember ukuthi ngidlile. So le drug leyana beyinama I don't know ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani beyinalento ngathi inobu ghost ngaphakathi.
Yeah.
Singahamba si 4 or 5 if someone say asithathe le moto akunawo ukuthi asithathe siyayithatha manje. So ngabona ukuthi time man la endleleni lengihamba akusiyo ngoba elife inhambe nginamachita I think 7 or 8 abashonile but not all of them bukwama drugs, few of them are drugs. And then ngabona ukuthi no, this is not the route. This is not ezibhaya scare the most important thing.
So mfethu yazini ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba lezi zinto zenze usasemncane ngiyakuzwa nje sazohamba kakhulu like i-distributor benithengapi lento obana babenisupplyela lama drugs ngoba ngiyakuzwa inhlobo.
Yeah, ama distributor beswathola le bengiyibhema bathi double star besilanda kwenye indawo eReghe Park. Bayibiza eWhite House.
Yeah.
And then i-capsule besilanda eThembisa. Yeah, kwelinye section bathi kusemakhulu. Yes. And then nase Ivory Park. Yeah. It's a pity ukuthi angikwazi ukukhipha lawo bantu ukuthi ngoba nami ngivikela impilo yami, you understand?
Yeah.
Yes. But amagama wabo I know them. Laba bangidistributed.
So babi push umshika bewupushelane nani sesikoleni noma mhlambe lama drugs baba weletha ngisho elokishini.
Bebonto baselokishini neReghe Park bukuyindaba zokuthi thina siyasuka siwathenga ngoba kube kwafika indawo isikhathi sokuthi sinenyuke enough. Sesicina sesiyawathengisa thina. Mara le funny part ukuthi if uthengisa into uphinde uyayidla futhi awugain profit. But then amaphoyisa bayagijimisa nani in izinto nyana ezinjalo. Yeah. So ngabona ukuthi diamond le life le ayisekho grand for mina ngoba sengisaba abantu la umphakathi angifuni in nani. So the best way ukuthi ngingayi ku west ithi ngiphume ngeeast. Yeah. Then ngazama impilo ngathola amachita grand bangikhuthaza ngoba mina ngumuntu wabantu like i-nickname yami bangibiza unabala abantu.
All right.
So yeah.
So like izenzo zazikholele ukuthi ugcine ubamba inkunzi mhlambe kwakuyikhona ukuthi ufuna imali yama-drugs noma mhlampe bese kuyile anto eyayiphusha oyibiza ngokuthi i-ghost kulama-drugs.
Yeah. Okunye bokuyindaba zemali ngoba mina ngebelieve yami ama-drugs I believe ukuthi umuntu wayenzile uyazi ukuthi they were meant for rich people because if udla ama-drugs unganamali you can't survive. Ama-drugs labe swabhema they needed something ezigrand aboma ultramela in. Mind you by that time masithenga bokuyi 25 rand. If uphethe leyo 25 rand that's the only money for the drugs. You don't have extra cash to buy aboma ultramela snacks and what. That's why hence I've said ukuthi mina ngebelieve ama-drugs bawenzela abantu aba-rich.
Yeah.
Even namanje umuntu ophuza beer nomuntu obhema ama-drugs let's say baphethe 100 umuntu ophuza beer angayiphuza maybe until late mara umuntu we-drug within 10 minutes seyiphelile. Yes. So ama-drugs bro wami into ekuthini ibulala umphakathi and siyayibona.
Yeah.
And the way ngakhona emva kwayo kunama izinje ezinkulu. Yeah. And then ngeke uba faced because it happened I think it was 2 years back. Yeah, 2 years back. I met this guy angikwazi ukumusho ngegama but umuntu omkhulu ku-ANC. How I met him it was indaba ukuthi I went to my previous school. Nomunye achoose wami senza indaba ukuthi sesine experience yale zinto lezi. Bese give back to the community.
Yeah.
And then we went to school. I think we went 4 schools but ngiqale ngesikolo lesi bengibuya kuso to try and help those young ones because of we know ukuthi ama consequences yini. So inhlanhla leyo I was getting e-stamp and signatures from the principals. So it was 4 school, it was Tembisa High, Deacon, Ngaisivele and TKM. So from Lapo, that's when I met the person in Kulumangayo, Nitu Ulaguma Politiki. How I met him, there was Mungano Amlomunye Nitu Ushonili, but not because of our drugs.
Yeah.
So Bakshonu Kokwake, and then I had a car by that time. So I was helping them with the Bambi Bainze Zonki Zinto, whatever labafuna ukwenza khona. So that's when I met the guy, a politician. Yes. Then I approached him with them through. I don't want money, I don't want this. The only thing that I need from you, facility and support ngoba ngikhona emachiteni via disk ngikhona aboche require ngoba abantu abaningi they are trying to quit but makaqedile let's say uhambela ama session akulanto ayenzayo. Uyabuyela futhi.
Yes.
You understand? So ngizamile unfortunately kuke kwaba la isimo masengifika kuleyo ndlela and then ngalandwa endlini. And then ngatshela ukuthi stop what you are doing because of unabantwana abayithumba amantombazana.
Yeah.
If you keep on doing that thing yokuthi unceda abantu ukuthi bayeke ama drugs you will die young. Then that's when I stopped.
Zimnumzane ngifuna ukuthi khona la ngishiya khona ngiyasala kakhulu. You met a politician ye-ANC, the big one uthi ngeke uzuyimention ngegama ne?
Yes.
Ngifuna ungithathe lapho ke angithuli kahle. What happened uma nihlangana inkulumo ithini kwenzakalani?
Okay. The guy ngimmeet through the funeral ngikhuluma ngayo ngoba lo muntu bekashonile. He was a veteran ye-ANC.
Oh, okay.
So naye ngiyacabanga ukuthi maybe he was coming to support a veteran ye-ANC. Okay. Then I believe that he asked who's helping you via transportation. Then they gave him my numbers. Then he called me.
All right.
Then that's when mina naye connect. Then lapho ngamcela ukuthi sisebenzisane so. Then from lapho I believe ukuthi that was before our elections. 2 years, 3 years back. 2 years. Yeah. Then after from Lapo, he saw my idea and then he took my idea. I don't know, maybe, but for Ipliviam, that was a win situation for him. Of course, he managed to say, Uguti, ngela amantombazana nabafana ababhema ama-drugs come to the ANC, free rehab. You understand? Not knowing labantu labayana ukuthi bayovotela i-ANC. Because remember, when you go there, they want ID or certificate. Bavotile unaware.
Yeah.
Yes. So, sorry. ngavele ngayiyeka kanjalo ngoba labantu laba sebafike kimi ekhaya ngingabazi nokubazi big fishes then ngastopa lapho ukuthi ngincede umphakathi. Yes.
So ngendlela ocabanga ngakhona laba ngizwe ukuthi bakhona abantu abafika bathi isicela uyeke lento unakho ukusola ukuthi mhlambe abantu abaphathelene naye lo mfo we-ANC osomaqhuzu wahlangana naye.
I believe kuya ngami ama-drugs ne labantu laba phezulu they know i-drug liya contribute country. Hence I'm saying from an airport ingena kanjani i-drug where else we've got izinja, we've got security and what.
Yeah.
So ukuya ngokubona kwami what I believe yami.
Yeah.
Labantu laba yibo bazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zingena kanjani eSouth Africa, ziphekwa kuphi, zenziwa kuphi, zenza njani. You understand?
Yeah.
So abafethu bayakhawateka but aba-realize ngoba mina mangibheka ngelinye ilihlo ngichecka in 10 to 15 years coming sizobe sirulwa abantu ababuya ngaphandle ngoba abafethu bazobe sebafile ile drugs leli ngoba abafethu bayakhawateka, abodade bethu akusena machita in isigela yakhawateka. So I believe yami nokubona kwami in 10 or 15 years South Africa maybe 80% amachita uzobe ku done. I believe yami.
Sure.
Yes, that's how I see it. Ngoba mina ngithe manje ngiyayibheka la le engilimazile program ngifuna ukukutshela manga.
Yeah.
La engilimaze kabuhlungu to such an extent ukuthi Olidlam, she was crying. Yeah. And then she was umuntu ogulayo, umuntu omdala. So that's when life yami change program. Namanje yangilimaza lento.
Yeah.
Yeah, yangilimaza kabuhlungu ngabe program. So into engizama ukuthi bengithi ngiyayizama ukuthi ngincede umphakathi, then I was approached nayo lento engilimazile ngoba ngibona intwana ezibhayi ikhasi lami zine potential, zine talent, ezinani ziyakhawateka by following that thing because there's no abantu ababancedayo ukuthi they must be out of these things lezi.
Yeah. So mfethu mhlambe la madoda afika akuzokustopa ukuthi iyeke le awareness oyenze ezikoleni. Akustopa from there mhlawumbe awukazi uthatha isinyathelo sokuya e-police station ukuthi uyo-reporta because it seems like nempilo yakhe isengcupheni.
I believe ukuthi for mina ngeke ngahlala phansi ukuthi if those people will come to my place bangana direction bangana bafele straight, so for mina kuye police station I think kuyoba worse for life yami.
Serious?
Yes. Because I understand ukuthi nabo e-police station amaphoyisa siyawabona elokushini because they know ukuthi they are distributors. They come there, they take ijojo. They don't do anything. So ngabona ukuthi kuya kwami lapha yana is not safe. It's the best thing for me now is to ithingeke then ngiqhubeka on ngempilo yami. Yeah, because now I found this young man khona la bengitshela ngithi kulogogo lo veteran.
Yeah.
There's this young man, I think now he's 13 or 14. That young man is so talented in soccer. So uNkulunkulu wangiblessa ukuthi ngizama ukuthi ngimise ema-trials. Fortunately enough for yena wangena ku-Sundowns. But unfortunately now they dropped him. I don't know how kanjani because of nami ngiyazama ispan bengasana chance ukuthi ngimsupport. Mase ngiyibheka le ntwana semlimazile because he saw ukuthi seka ku-Sundowns. Namanje akasaconcentrate kahle esikolweni ngale ncabe ukuthi sebamchithile. Reasons I don't know. Manje sengiyathuka ukuthi le ntwana le ingaze ingene lapha ema-drugs because inhliziyo yakhe sekazitshelile ukuthi yena uku-Sundowns. So hizi izinto engizisabelayo ngoba siyazibona ukuthi ziyenzakala elokushini and nobody's doing anything. Yes.
So kwakunini lapho abakustopa khona kuze mhlambe kuze kuzofika namhlanje uma bethi no iyeke lento le
ukuthi ngingancedi abantu ukuthi ba.
Yes.
It was it's 2023. Yes. 2023. Yeah, kulabe ngicale khona 2023. I think it was January or February mangicala le I campaign yami nale I choose ngitshela ngayo.
Yeah.
And then I think la bangilande khona it was July. Yeah. July, August somewhere there. because it was abafana abancane bese babanikeze ne-information yami ukuthi if ngiyabafuna ngizobathola or if bona abafuna mina bazongithola, because there are some boys ukuthi bazibhema through ama-background wabo la babuya khona. For an example, for mina ngiyibhemiswe i-background la ngikhulele khona, like ngikhule ngisogola and then having ama-sister abhaya bayenza abantwana ababhaya, and then buya esikolweni akunakudla, abantwana bayakhala, lona 3 different baby daddies. I'm 15 years by that time. I have to read. Focus abantwana barasa nana. That's when I started to smoke drugs, because there was this guy Angel who died. So you need this thing, and it is far more familiar. You're in your own world. Yeah. Feel free. You don't want a disturbance. That's why I was told about drugs. You'll find them with space in Sabubabota, Langanam Sindokon, because they believe they are in the maybe heaven. Yes. So for me na programe ngibonga uNkulunkulu namhlanje ngoba ngimbonile ukuthi uyasebenza. Because there was a time situation yami life in retrench emsebenzini, ukhishiswela impahla ozigcokayo, uthenga imoto ayisahambi, uthi uthenga ama tombstone babhala amanga, those kind of things, and then girlfriend yakho bayishada ulokunayo, izintonyana ezinjalo za, but azange sifike isikhathi sokuthi ithi ngihambe ngiyobuyela emuva ngibhemenyana, because I knew at that point ukuthi i-situation enguyo, that thing if ever bengekho strong bezongikhona ukuthi ngiyibheme, because bezosettlela izinto zami ngomoya, but ekugcineni lezo zinto lezo they are still there. Yes.
I'm very sorry yazi ukuzwa indaba efana nalena, because ngiyabona ukuthi ngathi une potential ukuthi kwakheka abafana namantombazanyane amancane. Mhlambe kwenzakalana emzimbeni womuntu osuke sebhema ama-drugs, especially uma sesipesini sokuba sesikoleni, ngizwe ukuthi waphazamiseka wena?
Ukubona kwami or believe yami, i-drugs enye into angazi or ngayibiza adrenaline or something, ngoba you are too hyper when you smoke that or maso uyibhemile. Ayikho into ezokuhlula mawubhemele yanto yana. You can do anything. So awusana lento yokuthi no, this is my boundary. No. So mangibona abafana abancane bayenza lezi zinto lezi, iyangilimaza ngoba they don't know what they are doing tomorrow. They don't have future. They don't have talent. They don't have school. They don't have mentality positive. You understand? So I'm worried because of ngikhuluma ngento engine-experience yayo. Like now, I've got 4 guys manje. Angwazile ukuhlanganisa nabo, bakhwithile. The other one is sekana 1 month ayekile and is very much strong. Indoda kuyinsizwa ngiyibonile ukuthi singakhisala nalabo abafana labo, because there are people who want to quit, but we don't have immorality sharp, or maybe facilities or finance or whatever. Ngoba those people, some of them bayayeka, but makaqedukeke or maybe after lawo sessions uyahlala, there's nothing ayenzayo. Because I've tried ukuthi ngihlangane nabantu abathope kasi abaningi nani ngibabonisa iproposal yami ukuthi no man, I will need this. If wena unganginceda ngokudla sincede labafana labo, if unganginceda ngamabhukunyana at least bakwazi ukufunda, intonyana ezinjalo. Because we believe ukuthi we can make a change, but nathi impilo zethu ziba in danger because of ngebelieve yami lento le igijimisa abantu baphezulu. Abantu abasiphethe phezulu bayazi ngalento le, because there's no way ukuthi drugs isuke from le izongena airport, isuke airport idistribute. And the worst part now, ayisafiki in bulk, bangayifikisa nje with a brick encane. And then that brick is so ngathi maybe 200%. That brick ile bazothi mabayipheka iyenze maybe ama 50 liters, maybe 100. Because ngalesa sikhathi bebaza ngama izinto ezikhulu. So now it's more extra strong. Because if they bring a brick encane to cook and make more than 20, so that means it's dangerous. Very dangerous. ngiyayisaba bro angifuni ukukutshela manje when I'm looking back le mangibuya esikolweni inglimazile uthami inglimazile kabuhlungu kabi I'm just willing and wishing ukuthi laba abakhulayo babone ukuthi lento le injani ngoba ayisi right la le yayiceda impilo yomuntu nokumoshela abantu emphakathini and mase uphila nomphakathi umoshela umphakathi life yakho seyincane bro you can die anytime nejela futhi
usakhuluma nje ngejele lapha ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi mhlambe ubhema ama drugs akukho la kwabanjwa khona amaphoyisa athi ubhema lezi zinto mhlambe wayithola usejele uke futhi wawaqhekeza emzini abantu phecelezi bubamba inkunzi akukho yini lapha okwabanjwa khona amaphoyisa akakuphose khulutho
mina ngama drugs azange ngiboshwe njengoba ngisho ngithi sinokuwathengisa futhi nomunye umngane wami ushoniswe vele ile ndaba yama drugs vele
alright
so mina azange ngiboshwe ngama drugs yes uyazi mawukhula uyaboshwa boma assault nyana ukukhula nyana drink and driving lezo zinto but rather than that angaze ngiboshwe ngiyemotaphe ngiphelela la kuma holding cells because of I believed ukuthi this is not my route ngoba uyazi mawukhulele lokishini mawusogola uzoskima amachita bazokutshela ukuthi emfethu ayikhe indoda ezothi yabhayiziseka sinamathulusi nasi sibhama siye yes inkunzi ngiyibambile twice I remember but ukucekezela abantu I never did that nokubulala umuntu azange or ukudubula umuntu angazi but ukuyibamba inkunzi ngiyibambile twice so ilento le yangenza ukuthi njengoba ngisho ngithi nickname yami ngunabala abantu abantu abaningi bayangazi I think 2 weeks or a week ago ku podcast yenu beni interviewer this guy uhlala eKaslamba 2 pizza matamata abamningi bamazi ngotebogo he knows me bengidlala ibhola nami so for mina masengiloku ngithi ngibona ukuthi okay sengekile ama drugs ngenzani ngizama inyuku I call myself nabala abantu Peterless Davicent that's my name ukuze ngithi attract ama customer to come and buy to me so that I can go and feed my family yes
so mfethu mhlawumbe uma ngabe usaqhubeka nendaba yakho ikhona le nto la engifisa ukuthi ngiyithole kuwe nencane nje enkulu okokuthi uma ngabe uthatha isinqumo sokuwayeka ama drugs kwakuyi ukuthi mhlambe ubona ama results okufaila noma mhlambe emzimbeni wakho ubungasayitholi kahle isiphi isinqumo sakwenza ukuthi uthathe isinqumo sokukhwitha
isimo kokuqala bokuyisikolo knowing ukuthi mina bengumuntu like bengekho smart but being average bengumuntu ukuthi mangibona ukuthi ama colleagues or ama schoolmates and friends baphusha kundlula mina benginalento ukuthi ngeke ngihlule imali ngeke ngihlule lo so ithema sengizobhema ngifile esikolweni and then mangiloko ngiya ngithi ngifuna umsebenzi angina matric ngiyangapha anginani but start to realize ukuthi no this is not my life let me just quit this thing azange ngiye rehab program ngizokutshela ivali I just rehabilitated myself ngazitshela ukuthi lento lengiyiphusha akusiyo and that's when I started ukuthi mangiyeka so sengithola inhlanhla ebantwini hey mfana kunomsebenzi kuphi in that's when ngaqala ukuyichange life yami ngoba sengiyabona ukuthi i-direction yami iyapi yes and then inhlanhla leyo uNkulunkulu wangiyeza umsebenzi then ngaspana and mangisespanini ngacabanga ukuthi man let me just go and push lama subject angiwafailile so that I can have a matric yes fortunate enough matric yami ngayiphasa 2019 while ngisemsebenzini
from
2004 when I failed my matric and then ngaye kusho sonke lesikhathi up until 2019 ngihleli ngana sikole engcondweni yami but ngibona ukuthi isigela ngiyasibona not to say I was genius or but bengibona because I remember ayo 2019 there when I was doing maths khona lapha eCampton College my instructor once said to me Thabiso when you are smart I can see your maths is very much man relax it's a story for another day kanti kuzoba nelanga elinye ata you will never leave the school without telling me that's when I told him good day baba mina bengibhema ama drugs so and so That's the thing engenza ukuthi ungamamela umuntu akutshela angana experience ama-drugs. Ama-drugs ayakufaila bro. Whether ukuthi you are smart, you are intelligent or you are fail. That's a fact. Nge-drug uyafaila. You are not going anywhere. So sure. That's why ngiwara ngoba ngiyazibona like mazenzakala. Abafana abaslim babuye esikolweni esi-sharp, you can hear or see i-English yakhe and ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo lento ayenzayo iyamkhawata, angeke abe ne-future. And some of them babhemiswa i-peer pressure nabangani or ukuthi mina ngifuna ukuhamba nabantu bangenza ini. Akayibhemisa indaba zokuthi uyibhemisa ngoba uhamba nesimo samajita nani. Because I remember there was this woman, like bengathi bayi-10 or 11. Umama lo athi yambona lo mfana lo uyobhemisela abantwana bathu ama-drugs. Makaceda uyayeka uthola umsebenzi uyasebenza e-airport futhi akhile nasekhaya. There was only one mom kulabantu laba bayi-11. No. Nami umntwana wami uyawabhema ama-drugs. But lo mfana lo azange athathe isibhamu or ummese abakhomba abantwana bethathu babhema. Usho ukuthi abantwana bethu bahamba naye babone lento le ayenza bayithanda. Then yena was change.
Yeah.
Because even now, mangibabheka, they are still smoking. Mangicheka 18 years down the line, they are still smoking.
Sure.
But I'm happy at least abayi 3. Ngikwazile ukuba kocanyana ngithi bayekile. One una 2 years now. The other one is gonna I think 11 months. Lo munye una 2 months. 1 month couple of weeks. Because of bakwazile ukungilalela. Like for an example, uyabona umuntu obhema ama-drugs or umuntu wabhemile maka communicate nomuntu wabhemayo bayarelate, bayazwana. Like wena njengoba ungakawafiki kwathatha wangithola mina ngibhema ama-drugs ungibuza angeke ngikutshela iqiniso. Mara mina ngibhema umuntu bekabhema nomuntu obhemayo masikhuluma sizozwana ngoba he or she knows or une-experience yalento leyo.
Yeah.
Yes. I can relate to any of those guys. The language yabo bayangizwa ukuthi lo umuntu so. Then it's easier for me now communicate now. That's why I was like ngithi kuwe igela bese zipha intwana ezipha bese ngizirecruiter because of ilanguage yabo nelanguage yami ezifana. Like for an example, yabona umfana obhema inyawupe, if nimtholi like moshele or amoshele someone animshayi. Mina ngula ngibone khona ngeexperience. You just see that boy niyamfasa inyawo nani namfaka amanzi namdlisa ipapa nenyama uzongitshela iqiniso. But when you hit him or you hit her angeke ngitshela iqiniso. Why? Because of layer drug leyana ngaphakathi. That's why they eat ama snacks amakhekhe ngoba ipapa nenyama ziqinile so kuyakrempa ngapha. And then amanzi ayabaluma. So there's this thing bathi ngikhohle bayibizana. So if bathi down is like ipapalazi. If ngibhemile namhlanje kusasa ekuseni I need to smoke whether I like it or not. If ngingabhemi stomach cramps bayagula. Yeah. So baningi program angizamile ukuthi ngiphushe nabo. Some of them baya relapse because of they don't have anything to do after that.
So which means you have ama-solutions ikakhulukazi kubantu ababhekene nendaba yama-drugs because ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ikhonto ekhuluma kuminitely khako ukuthi akumele umuntu nimtrape nimshaye kodwa nendlela enidila ngayo.
Yes, ama-solutions nginawo bro maningi because of experience lento leyo. Because I remember abafana abaningi babathole lokushini abanye babashisile in there was a time like umphakathi ushalwa umfana loyana, but lucky enough nalomshita ngithi sikhwithile we managed ukuthi simlwele simbekele sayidini sibacele sithi umphakathi angashawo lo muntu lo angeke nganitshela iqiniso siniboniseni ukuthi lo muntu lo uzositshela iqiniso kanjani.
Yeah.
Then that's when that boy mamnika ukudla simthela nangamanzi wakhipha iqiniso lezi zinto lezi zalandwa direct la zithengiswe khona. Then that's when umphakathi wagcina wabona ukuthi no guys we need you. But it was dangerous for Tina because of you cannot fight nichun fight umphakathi. Because some of them they were like yeah we should mabamvikela so basabhema labantu we should baya support. Yeah, understand. Of which akusinto siyenzayo. Yes we did that but we know the solution ukuthi singamnceda kanjani lo muntu lo ukuthi aphume or asitshele ukuthi lezi zinto lezi azijontshile uzithole kuphi. I-solution I do have maningi bro.
Maningi ama-solutions.
Maningi. It's just that ukuthi who do you approach? Because sometimes you approach those bigger fishes, can't hear those bigger fishes. Yes. So it's dangerous, you understand? But mina isifiso sami, because ikhona enye out ekasi vele iphethe iforum yabantwana besinokukhuluma naye yabo. Because I remember I worked with another udoctor omunye khona le ekasi lami. So she once wangibiza and then ngizonceda abafana ngibatshele ngeexperience. Nhlanhla leyo abayi3 abayi2 nabo bayekile futhi. And then I was called by that doctor with them fit sakubonga nani for lento le. So unfortunately for me now, I had to relocate ngoba mkungu manje sengihlala eMamelodi manje. Yeah, due to ama reasons wami.
Yeah.
Yes. So mangile kasi yes, I sit nabo down ngikhulume nabo, hlale nabo phansi sirenge.
But njengamanje akhona ama-organizations arana i-program kade mhlambe ifana nale kade uyirana wena. If engaku-approach mhlambe ikuphi wena ongabanikeza khona ukubalekelela njengomuntu one-experience ukuthi babe nama-solutions nabo?
I can be much happy if bang approacher ukuze ngizonceda abantu laba ngoba isifiso sami ukuthi labantu labana bangabhemi lezi zinto lezi or abanye bazoyenza bazolandela because I know ukuthi yenzani. So for mina ngajabula kakhulu because I know ukuthi how will I work with those guys laba ababhemayo. Because for starter I do have friends bamantombazana namajita. I do have abantu abane good in chess. I do have abantu abagood in netball. I do have abantu abagood in computer skills and what. Because those boys, those girls, they need those things after those sessions, so that they keep themselves busy. Obviously, when you keep yourself going to work, you enjoy, then you forget about that. So, but if they are not doing anything, 3 days, 4 days, because skala ngabo makoko emakulokishini abamakoko bahola imindende umntwana utshontsha imali akamakoko yobhema late yabuya kunakuhle uzokhalela umakoko futhi. So it's tough problem lento ye-drug it's a ushuthi isilonda siyadla siyangenelela and ayikuthi abasiboni bayasibona. The problem is what those big fishes bayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. So my fear and my concern with the next coming 10 years 15 years, if ever since the next Tina, like a South Africa or whatever, we're gonna see flames. Because what I'm telling you, for an example, I've noticed something. Umuntu opema insango for many believe is not a drug. Umuntu othengisa insango uyayibhema insango, but umuntu othengisa drug akayibhemi. That's when I saw good, this thing is so dangerous. Why no muntu in Nigeria ayithengisa ngayibhemi? But why lo muntu opema izolo mara uyayithengisa uyayibhema? So there's difference.
Yeah.
So that's why ngithi kubo ngitshela abantu ukuthi hence bathi insango bayilegalizile.
Yeah.
You understand? So for me I believe ukuthi it's a help, but I'm not saying ukuthi abantu bahambe bayobhema insango.
Yeah.
Because abanye bangayithatha ngenye ingcondo, you understand? But what I'm saying ukuthi i-drug akusiyo bro. Akusiyo.
Ngifuna ukubamba lapha na mfethu ukuthi lapha nathi ngakhona ama drugs ngikuze ufake indaba yama-Nigeria njengamanje mhlambe abawathengisayo inhloboni yabantu ama-Nigeria like noma abantu abamnyama noma mhlambe amangamla.
The time mina ngisabhema mangilanda lapha eReha Park bokuwa amakhaladi. Yes, and then it happened ngaleyo inzwano nami.
Yeah.
Ngigcine sengibona ukuthi because bese bagain ne trust.
Okay,
ngigcine sengibona ukuthi yibo bayiphekayo. Because I believe it was maybe they were getting a big supplier from somewhere.
Oh, all right.
So mangilungiya ngithola trust, ngigain trust kubo. That's when I saw ukuthi bayipheka. Problem nokuthi besinokuthi masifika sizothenga bakhiphele yona ebread tin.
Yeah.
Where amaphoyisa mabangathi bayafika bayasearch umuntu ngeke acabanga ukusearch ibread tin. I-fridge. Yeah, uzufuna lezo indawo lezo ezisona so because I remember I think I was 18 or 19. I was approaching njengoba ngikutshela ngithi kuna this crime prevention bekhona eKasi babiza ama SDU.
Yeah.
So bake bafika ekhaya bengisala le endlini ngilele sofeni. Bake bafika ekhaya. Mangisho kuwe lo I choose nayo uyekile. I think yana is 16 years now, 14 years ayekile. Only to find out ukuthi strat sakhe is 1 2 3. Mara umuzi ubhekene so.
Yeah.
Ngoba naye kubo bekazisokolela so bekasebenzela omunye umuntu. So bekanama drugs. So unfortunately for bona bangena ekhaya abangena kulo yamuntu but mawuthi 1 2 3 umuzi wakhona ubhekane no1. So ngavuswa ekseni only to find that was not me because bebafuna uthaba ngama drugs mina nguthabiso mina wama dress mina nguthabiso wama chisco. So ngoba buyi out yasekasi azama ukuthengisa but abulala umphakathi at the same time. But at the same time naye ufuna ukudla. Manje ngoba ukungifethu ngimbhekela ngoba nami by that time bengisa bhema. I had to run and ngimtshela ukuthi emfo chifta yonke into. Then itrack uyakwazi ukuyifihla naku efestereni just nje I don't know you get me ngoba it's a pill but
yes.
Mawabhaya that's when I problem iba khona. Yes.
So like lama khalati bene distributor yayivela enkulu ne mhlambe into yokuthi mhlambe ivela iza kanjani from airport noma mhlambe ngifuna ukuthola lapho because uthi wena babe wapheka okushuthi nabo babe nikezwe.
Yeah, because mina mangicheka lapha yana bebana ama chemical.
Okay.
Ukuthi bebawathola from where that's when ngekho shop but I believe it's obvious it's out of the country yethu iza ngama bulk and when it comes with bulk that means ize ngeflight.
Ize ngeflight.
Obviously. Or iskepe sothatha isikhathi problem. Iskepe might take amagutsu abo bawafuna ngoba idrag ifuna kwa manje now as we speak now we want it now. There's no yokuthi hey once you miss 5 minutes or 10 minutes they can kill you.
Sure.
Anytime. Because I remember Espanini ike yatholakala idrag. Within 5 minutes amaphoyisa bewasewala kanti only to find out ukuthi this thing is a chain problem like mangithi Espanini ngispana la airport angithola so i-chain kanjani there's a flight attendants cabin crew there's a technician there's a pilot there's cleaners there's operators so that means from mayisuka ngale ingena from pilot cabin crew lento le track ithole like from now this is a panel then you unscrew when you open that nali track level fihla ngapha. So hence I'm saying with this thing it's a chain but for now abasayenza ama bulk cost bayabona ukuthi bayaboshwa. So that thing ebayenza is very strong maybe 10 times strong than that one. Maybe they can come with a brick nyani ngani put it in the aircraft bayazi ukuthi ubani manje uzweni. So I believe I'm ukuze ngibone ukuthi this thing because ama Nigeria bewangaphandle waiting for that drug to be out. Unfortunately it was captured. So the last person to deliver that thing to Nigeria he was killed.
Serious?
Magacha is M17 because of he didn't deliver entole because the Nigerians were crying we lost millions.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Angifuna ukutshela into ngitshela zona ivara problem. Izinto engizibonile ezenzakala emehlweni wami.
He was killed like
he was killed but not same day.
Yeah.
Kule week because Nigeria they don't want to wait because already balose ama millions. Already bese bathembise amanye ama distributor or abanye abantu ba connecta nabo. So for that drug i-capture they lost. They can kill you for that thing. That thing inemali bro bangakutshela manga inemali. So that's why ngithi nami I was approached ilabo bantu and then namanje mangibheka like I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu for me neside lami hence ngithi uNkulunkulu uyasebenza ngimbonile. Ngile outhi engibelieve la ukuthi uNkulunkulu makanginikeza ithuba I need to share with you regardless you are my friend or you are my brother or whatever.
Yeah.
Because I can see ukuthi lo muntu lo uyaphi ngempilo ngiyabona ukuthi okay ntwana ngathi ngine connection la ngiyena la ngiphethe ama cheat. So hence I've said kuwe idiski bengimele ngifere isikole bengimele ngifere but fortunately enough uNkulunkulu unendlela zakhe ayenza ngakhona ngisaphila ngisaseyindoda ngigrand into emnandi ukuthi ngiyekile then into engiyifunayo is just to help these young ones ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Ngiyasizwa mfethu isikhalo sakho esikhulu kunazo zonke ukuthi ufisa ukuyisiza lezi ntwana ezincane.
Yes.
mfethu sibukwa imindeni eminingi eyikole uthishanhloko abaphathi bamakomidi ezikoleni mhlambe imaphi amazwi ongabanikeza wona
mina into engayikhuluma ukuthi umphakathi yes okay mangikhuluma ngami ngithi thina sikwazile ukuzama ukuyeka without going to rehab
yeah
this laba ngibabonayo bayahluleka they need help from thina umphakathi thina abantu besonto thina abantu like abaselokishini or abaspanayo whatever you have whatever distribute or to or impahla or something those kind of things ziyanideka but we cannot give umuntu obhemayo into esazi ukuthi it's valuable kuye and then akuthi mara yena uzoyidestroy because for now let's say you are giving me a gene kusasa ngiyithengisa 5 rand
yeah
for him to smoke because lento leyana proami mawifuna masese isikhathi sokuthi you are craving for it you can do anything that's why namantombazana abhemayo bayagula proami bagula HIV AIDS because there's this one ngikhohle ukuthi bayibizana you have to tide yourself here then we using only one needle for sure C7 so it's only one needle but that one I didn't smoke it because ifana nemetrix nayo azange izibheme lezo but it's very dangerous because ikubulala mentally ikubulala nangokugula because angazi ukuthi mina nawe ubani ogulayo kundlu lomunye because whatever iblood lakho malingahlangana nami if ngiyagula already now so uyagula so lento le is dangerous in a way ukuthi masingamphakathi masingabambisana sayenzana ngezandla yes we know ukuthi some of them bayithengisa just ukuthi ba provide umndeni yabo but how many people are dying for when maybe providing your family abantu abayi3 how many are you killing cause you are killing maybe 12 when you are providing for 3 and on that 12 you made maybe like mangikhumbula ngenza ama-stat mangicheck elokishini i-truck the well gijima khona a day le yenza boma 10 million yes
per day
I don't want to lie to you
serious
yes a generator
hayibo
and then mina ngumuntu othanda hands of set ukuthi amalimi ngiyathanda uku-understand ilimi lomunye umuntu ngiyathanda uku-understand umuntu ubuyapi like ngitravel ngi-understand ukuthi kanjani so bengithanda ukuhamba ngiye-Alexander Soweto so ngibonile ukuthi amakasi abhema ama-trucks kakhulu it's Soweto, Tembisa and Pretoria more especially Tembisa and Pretoria those are the ones ngoba inyawo sharp we were from a Pretoria and then there's this thing enye futhi bayibiza flag i-truck yakhona bathi flag but I'm not sure ukuthi ekasi seyifikile or kanjani but ngayibona from Erege Park that truck ile ukuthi umuntu angasuka from a building 5 stories I believe I can fly and then go down dead approaching a car with a shot dead ibizwe flag leyo so i-truck inetimoni program ngaphakathi bangakutshela mama mina ngikutshela so ngoba ngiyibonile ngoba akuna asistopeki mase isubile if C5 isosiphetha amagani sonke sahlangana nawe ulimele luckily for me na uNkulunkulu wakwazi ukungenza ukuthi ungabulala umuntu ngoba ukubulala umuntu lo impilo yakho ngeke we-enjoy yeah but people they kill people for drugs inemali lento leyana and then destroy futhi
hiyo mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi kuningi ososiphe khona njengamanje
okay
but ke ngiyafisa ukuthi sivale njengamanje mfethu ngoba mhlambe singaba nawo part 2 because ngiyabona ukuthi udaba lwethu lude kakhulu but wena i-west like situation okwabhekana nayo ngenxa yama drugs uthi yabona manje angikhohlwa and angifisi nomunye umuntu engene kuyona
okay I think I can mention 3 or 4 if I'm allowed to
okay
eyokuqala ngilimele lapho ngingalimala it was daylight around 1 or 12 emini umama wangibiza wathi ntwana ngicela uzohlala la awungitshele ntwana yami awunuki insango awunuki utshwala mara utakiwe bengibhemenye bathi keep soul shuthi mangibhema namhlanje ne Monday kusasa ekseni mangaphuza amanzi iyavuka leya plaque and then izinto engizenzile izolo ngizikhohliwe. So the worst part engingayi understand ukuthi la for me to quit is when by like njengoba ngisho ngithi ngingafika endlini badla ngadla ngaceda into engicede ukuyenza manje ngayikhohlwa manje ngaphinde ngathola amajida bangitshela ukuthi baphuze ifuba lesiyana. So I was imagining myself ukuthi ngabe kuyimi and then ngaphinde ngabona something ukuthi esani ngeke ngakhipha isibhamu akhomba umuntu ngazibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo if ever beka nama heart failure or something mangimkhomba so mangashona kusho ukuthi kahle kahle ubulawe yimi.
Obvious.
I understand. So nani futhi nesikolo program yangikhawatha ngesikele lucky enough ngikwazile ukuthi at least ngibuyele esikele ne disk yami yakhawathela but uNkulunkulu wangigaya ithemba ukuthi into mina engihlulile at least ngiyisupport kulabo abanye because ngiyazama ikasi ukuphusha intwana encane ukuthi zibe grand. That's when I'm trying ukuthi babe away from ama drugs. Yes.
Siyabonga mfethu ne kodwa ke mhlambe nayi camera mfethu.
Sure.
Ngicela kule camera mfethu ukhulume nomuntu osesikoleni njengamanje odla ama drugs kodwa unamaphupho ofisa ukuba into ethize empilweni usasesikoleni kodwa lento yamphazamisa ungathini kuyena nayi camera mfethu.
Ntwana yami sister wami uThabiso uthi kini una 18 years namhlanje 18 years 5 months 9 days ayekile. Yes, I can see or I can believe ukuthi nithakolula. Yes, akukholula if you don't have support, but if uzijelile ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba ipilot or ufuna ukuba isoccer star ufuna ukuba idesigner, mina ngikhona for ukuthi ngani advice akuphi nakuphi ukuthi uncede ukuthi ungayiyeka. For mina I believe yami it's easy ukuthi ungayiyeka. Yes, ngiya understand kule situation ukuyo ukuthi it's not easy because of you are not having father figure thing, you are not having abantu abazokuncedisa ukuthi listen ngoba uyafisa ukuyiyeka but uthola ukuthi maybe uyayeka 2 days uyabuyela because of you are not having i-support ngikhona mina angihambi ngi1 bakhona abafethu bangihamba nabo for now nganima maybe 12 or 11 amajidaba yekile abafisa ukuthi bazoninceda uze niyeke ukufana nabo nami. So nami ngiyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhona abafethu uNkulunkulu ungincedile ngiyekile and then angibuyele emuva ngiyaphambili. That's why ngishilo la earlier on mangisakutshela umuntu ngithi uPeter no Stevenson unaba labantu umfana wasethembisa. Yes.
So mfethu mhlambe kumuntu ke uthi yena sifisa ukusebenzisana nawe mfethu kupossible ukuthi ungamnikeza leyo chance ukuze nikhulule imindeni nabantwana abancane abasafisa ukuphuma kulento.
Njengoba ngishilo program earlier on ukuthi ngenga approach is one of the biggest fishes. And then wangilethela I believe ukuthi labantu laba babuya kuye ngoba they came with the name tags and the suits and the black car big PM. That's when I ngazihlanganisa. Mina ngiyafisa program njengoba bengisengizama ukuhamba igolo ngiyafisa umuntu ozozayo or ama organizer sharp or in beze kimi to say Thabiso we need you, we heard you, we know ukuthi maybe unalo experience ukuthi ungasincedisa ngoba bakhona abafana abasisipana nabo nani mara babhema lezi zinto lezi. Mina ngikhona bafethu anytime ngikhona nginabafethu singaninceda angina flop ngisharp ngikhona 100% ngikhona nganinceda. Sure.
Nomfethu siyabonga ukuzivakashela nokuzoshare information ngento odlule kuyona.
Sure.
Sikufisela okuhle kodwa nabantu nje abakubhekile emakhaya noma kuphela babuyela khona kwangathi bangaba nalo ugqozi lokuthi mhlambe mabe relator belithole usizo futhi nabafisayo ukuthi basebenzisane nawe kwangathi mfethu bangaba nesihe nixhumane. Sikhona sizokuxhumanisa la.
Ngiyakuzwa bro.
Sibonga kakhulu mfethu.
Bonga mina.
Amazwi akho okugcina mfethu sisiphethe.
Ngibonga lethuba engilitholile, ngibonga abafethu la ngihleli nabo. Ngibonga ukuthi noNkulunkulu njengoba ngisho ngithi uyaphila bafethu ukuthi angibeke la ngize ngisuke la ngisuka khona ngize ngizoncedisa abafethu ukuthi i-drugs emhlabeni alunganga. Kuya ngami njengoba ngilibonile bafethu mina ngikhona namajita khona. So amajita njengoba bangibekela akusimi ngizibekile ngibekwe yibo nabo ngiyathemba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyohlanganisile ukuthi mina nabo sihlangane. So into engiyibongelayo ngibongela ukuthi le chance ebanginike yona nesikhathi sabo ukuze bangithembe ngoba ngiyabelieve ukuthi abantu abaningi maybe bazoyibona lento le. So I believe ukuthi bantwana basekhaya mina ngikhona. Ibhlungu lento le ngiyibonile ngiexperienceile ibhlungu kabi but then ngikhona ngoba abafethu bayagula, abuchiri bayagula. And then for mina if ufuna ukuyeka or ufuna ukwenzani ngikhona so that we can see the next future for you na or a career sharp for nini.
Yeah.
Ngiyabonga uThami.
Thank you.
Ngiyabonga.
Iningizimu Afrika namaphethelo sesifike esiphethelweni nasemaphethelweni ke alo ke udaba lwethu nelabana ke uThabiso nokuyinkunzi malanga ke ebenesibindi sokuthi yafisa ukuthi share nathi. Okwakho sicela ukuthi ulike, usubscribe, ama-comments wakho siyawahlonipha kakhulu. Noma ngabe bakithi uyabhidliza kodwa commenta wakhe okuhle kodwa ngoba ngale kwalokho ke asindawo mangabe sibhidlizana kodwa ke masakhane each and every time. Gama lakhe ke uThabiso wayezosiqwashisa ke ngawo ke ama-drugs. Gama lami ke mina ngusazi wakwesibiya sengidihula ukuqu ngiphindela kithi lapho engafunda khona ke inkani. Thank you very much. Inkosi ayinenze kahle. Danko.